Here we go. So I got my second BJD in the mail, and this is actually one that I purchased from Curran. I don't know if I'm saying the name right. Curran or Curran on Instagram. It's his Curran. And this is a Doll Family H Linfeng. So let's see, we're gonna open it up. Open it up. And Curran said that they only had the Soul Doll box, the outer boxes, so that's why it's in a Soul Doll box, but that is fine. No worries there. Packaged really nice. Okay, let's turn it around. Have to avoid showing any addresses here. Ooh, here's a little note. Oh, thank you, Shelby. I won't read it all, but it just says, hello, I hope Linfeng arrived safe. Welcome to the BJD hobby, and thank you for giving this boy a new home. You're welcome. There you are. I'm like looking for where the camera is. I can't wait to rehome him for you. Okay, let's turn it again because we don't want the address showing. Oh wow, you did package it nice, Shelby. Very nice. Very nice. Some extra cording in case I want to restring him. His wig. Set these down. Clothes? Did you mean to send me clothes, Curran? Oh my gosh, seriously? Oh my gosh, did you really mean to do that? I'm like, thank you. Unless this was an accident. Oh my gosh, he's got clothes. Oh my gosh. Really? Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Wow. That was very unexpected. Very unexpected. I think this is a sponge for cleaning them. Cleaning him? I think it said something about that in the note. Let's see. Yeah, the sponge is a magic eraser and can be used wet or dry. But be careful around blushing or face-ups because it can and will strip the paint off the dolls. Okay, good to know. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, guys. Here's the actual box. And more padding. All right, here we go, guys. Okay, warning. There's going to be doll nudity, so, oh, there's the camera. There's going to be doll nudity, so if you don't want to see doll nudity, close your eyes. I mean, he's probably wrapped up, but let's take a look. Oh, good. He's bubble wrapped. Okay. There will be doll nudity, so. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I'm so excited. So exciting. Are you okay, Chase? My dog is choking or gagging over there. Wow. I see a thigh. gosh, he's beautiful. Wow. Here he is. He's wrapped up like a mummy. Look, your BFF. Hey guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, Chase. Yes, it's another one. He's so excited. Oh my gosh, yes, another one. Okay, you gotta move back, honey. You gotta move back so I can show everybody and get him out. What is that, huh? He loves these dolls. Yes, you do, don't you? Okay, you gotta get down, honey. Get down so we can show. Get down so we can show. What is that, huh? Wow, there's Linfeng. Let's take off his... Let's see, how does this work? Oh, it's elastic. Okay. Nice face covering. Wow, you did take good care of him. Okay, how are we going to get this off? Ooh. Very gently, right? Oh, 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 oh. There we go. Wow, okay. Let's look at his face. Let's look at his face. Let's show him off. Chase, you gotta get back, honey. Look at him. Oh, he's precious. Isn't he precious? Look at him. Okay, now let's keep going. Take off his hand protectors. Foot protectors. Okay, Chase. You just can't get enough of this, can you? No. Even knee protectors. Ooh. Okay, Chase, let's get down, baby. It's a little hard to do this with you in my lap. You are in my lap. Yes, you are. Oops. Could have probably done that differently. I could have done that differently. I'll just edit the video if it takes too long. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's coming. There we go. Now we can take it off. Okay, you've got to get down, honey. Okay, there we go. Whew. He's just too excited about all these new babies that Mommy's got coming in. Oh, and he's double jointed. Oh, okay. Wow, I mean, he's single jointed, so this one must be double jointed, right? Is that what that's called? I don't know if he is. I mean, his knees are, right? I'm trying to be so gentle. Gentle, gentle. All right. Now to get this part off. And I truly appreciate how well you packaged him. It's amazing. All right, guys. Okay. I was about to give you a warning again. It's about time for that warning now. Here, let's see. Ooh, let's see. Show you. And he's doll family H. See if it'll focus there. Kind of. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, now's the warning for the doll nudity. So if you guys don't want to see little bits, close your eyes. There we go. Here he is, and I will show you just a quick little view of his body. Very nice. I want to check their, compare their sizes real quick here. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Wow, look at them. Whoops. Back to back, guys. Stand back to back. Very nice. They're basically the same size. And he's precious. He's so cute. All right, guys, I will be right back with, I'm going to put some clothes on him. Oops, see if I can see you. I'm going to put some clothes on him and his, whoops. Sorry. I'm going to put some clothes on him and his wig, and I'll be right back. Say bye.